Not sure what's the best drone for your needs? Tech for You is here. Today's video is on the top 5 best budget drones in 2024 to help you suss out the top options for photography and video. Whether you want to make your vlogs, home movies, or real estate content stand out. We've reviewed 5 drones, and counting, over the last decade with an eye toward camera quality, flight performance, and safety. And our drone analyst is an FAA-certified Part 107 remote pilot, so you can trust that we're experts in the category. Our current best drone recommendation for most people is the Editor's Choice winning DJI Mini 4 Pro, which is quite compact and provides excellent image quality. However, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get flying. Number 5. Potensic Atom SE. Potensic Atom SE GPS drone with 4K EIS camera, under 249 G, 62 minutes flight, 4 km FPV transmission, brushless motor, max speed 16 meters per second, auto return, lightweight and foldable drone for adults. Beginner Atom SE drone weighs, and the fold-up design packs up small enough to fit in a jacket pocket. Built-in makes the drone and fly stably. The drone is equipped with a slash. It can shoot photos and add HD video. The exclusive Shake Vanish tech helps to take more stable and smoother images within 118 degrees FOV and a vertical plus 20 degrees to minus 90 degrees camera. Surge flight control system provides in 3 flight modes, allowing you to challenge your skills as you become an advanced pilot with flexible and easy flight control experience. In sport mode, the max speed can be up to 16 meters per second in 2.8S. All firmware supports FOTA. We recommend keeping up to date with the latest firmware to enjoy the ever-improving flight experience and shooting quality. Number 4. DJI Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mini 2 SE is an affordable entry-level drone, packed with impressive features for its price. Here's a detailed review highlighting its pros, cons, and what makes it stand out. Camera quality. The Mini 2 SE features a 12MP camera with a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of shooting 2.7K video at 30 frames per second. The image quality is sharp for its size, although it doesn't support 4K like the higher-end models. The photos it captures are vibrant, with decent dynamic range for an entry-level drone. Flight time. It offers up to 31 minutes of flight time on a single charge, which is excellent for its size and price range. This is more than enough time for casual flying and getting some great shots. Range and stability. The drone comes with DJI's OcuSync 2.0, which gives a video transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, 6.2 miles, and stable connectivity. This technology ensures minimal interference, making it suitable for both beginners and hobbyists who want to explore more distance. Lightweight and portable. Weighing just under 249 G, it falls below the registration requirement in many countries. Solid battery life, 31 minutes of flight time, is a highlight for any drone in this price category. Good image quality. The 12MP camera and 2.7K video are good enough for casual creators or those who want high-quality social media content. Affordability offers excellent value for the price. Stable video transmission. OcuSync 2.0 provides a reliable video feed even at long distances. Number 3. Beta FPV Cetus Pro. The Beta FPV Cetus Pro is an excellent choice for those stepping into the world of FPV, first-person view, drones, offering a balance between beginner-friendly features and a taste of more advanced flying capabilities. Here's a detailed review highlighting what you can expect. Compact design. The Cetus Pro is a small, durable, and lightweight Whoop-style drone. Brushed motors. The drone is equipped with 1102-18,000 kV brushless motors, offering better power, speed, and durability than brushed motors, making it faster and more responsive than the standard Cetus model designed for indoor and mild outdoor flying. Its size and design make it perfect for tight spaces, making it ideal for beginners learning to fly indoors. Flight modes. It comes with 3 distinct flight modes that cater to different skill levels. Normal mode, perfect for beginners. It self-levels and maintains altitude, offering stability similar to a standard drone. Sport mode, slightly more challenging. It increases speed and responsiveness but still provides self-leveling. Manual mode, acro. This mode gives full manual control, similar to professional FPV drones. You can perform flips, rolls, and other tricks, but it's much harder to master. Number 2, DJI Mini 3. The Mini 3 is small, weighing less than 249 grams, which means it's easy to carry and doesn't require registration in many countries. The design is sturdy, with folding arms that make it very convenient for travel. Its size makes it suitable for beginners, but DJI hasn't compromised on quality or functionality. DJI Mini 3 features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, and stills at 12 MP. The large aperture, f/1.7, is great for low-light photography, giving your shots better clarity even in darker environments. The true vertical shooting mode allows you to take portrait shots without cropping, which is perfect for social media content creators. The video quality is excellent, with vivid colors and good dynamic range. It also supports HDR video for more detailed shadows and highlights. The 3-axis gimbal ensures stable footage, even when flying in windy conditions, with a maximum flight time of around 38 minutes, using the Intelligent Flight Battery, or 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. The Mini 3 has impressive endurance for such a small drone. The range is also quite good, thanks to DJI's OcuSync 2.0, providing a stable signal for up to 10 kilometers, 6.2 miles. It's quite nimble, with a top speed of about 16 meters per second in sport mode. The GPS and downward sensors help with stable hovering and positioning, although it lacks obstacle sensors on all sides, which might be a concern for some beginners in challenging environments. Quick shots, automated shooting modes like Drone, Rocket, Circle, and Helix help capture cinematic footage effortlessly. Panorama supports wide-angle, 180 degrees, and sphere panoramas, making it easy to create stunning landscape shots. Return to home, RTH automatically brings the drone back to its takeoff point if the battery is low or if it loses connection. Number 1, DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is the latest addition to DJI's popular Mini series, offering a compact and powerful drone experience. Here's an overview of its key features, pros, and cons. Camera quality. The DJI Mini 4 Pro features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor with up to 48 MP still photos and 4K video at 60 frames per second, providing sharp and vibrant imagery. It includes improved low-light performance thanks to a wider f/1.7 aperture, enhancing video quality in darker conditions. Flight performance with a maximum flight time of up to 34 minutes, standard battery, or 45 minutes with the optional Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. The Mini 4 Pro offers extended flight sessions. The drone boasts improved stability, even in windy conditions, thanks to its updated motors and aerodynamic design. Obstacle avoidance. The Mini 4 Pro has omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which uses sensors on all sides to detect and avoid obstacles, significantly improving safety during flight. Intelligent flight modes. New intelligent flight modes such as Spotlight 2.0, Point of Interest, and Active Track 5.0 enhance the creativity and ease of capturing dynamic footage. The drone also features master shots, quick shots, and panorama modes for automated filming and impressive shots without manual intervention. Remote controller and transmission. The Mini 4 Pro uses DJI's O4 video transmission system, offering stable and long-distance video feed, up to 12 kilometers. In 1080p quality. The drone can be paired with the DJI RCN2 or DJI RC2 controller for a responsive and intuitive flying experience. I hope you like this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products which are available in the market so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.